Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2009 Ford F-150. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and transfer that heat shield to the new battery. Just grab the heat shield and with your other hand pick up the battery and remove the shield. Grab your new battery and drop it right there. You might need both hands. Sweet. Let's go ahead and pick it up and put it into here. Alright, let's go ahead and grab our battery clamp. Let's go ahead and place it right underneath here and secure it down where it goes. And the tools we're going to be needing is going to be a 5/16 socket to go ahead and drive this down. Let's go ahead and secure this all the way down, tie it down. Alright, there it is. Not too tight. All it is just to hold the battery from going anywhere. Let's go ahead and put this. Okay, I guess you can't. Just put it to the side. Let's go ahead and put in our positive terminal first. And let's go ahead and connect our negative. Sweet. Let's go ahead and tie up our positive terminal. Alright, there it is. And let's go ahead and tie up the negative terminal. Alright, and there it is. Make sure it's not loose. Perfect. Put this little cover, this little dust boot back on, and we're set. And that is how you replace the battery or install a new battery on a 2009 Ford F-150 Platinum. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.